The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a meaningful upgrade for anyone coming from an older device because Samsung is not relying on just one big headline feature. Instead, the phone improves across several areas at once: camera, performance, AI, display, charging, durability, and long-term software support. So in this video, let's check out what you should know if you're thinking about upgrading to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Welcome back to SamMobile TV, you're here with Max. Let's start with the camera, because this is one of the biggest reasons to look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The phone uses a 200 megapixel wide camera with an f1.4 aperture. Compared to the previous generation, Samsung says the new wide camera brings in 47% more light, and that helps with cleaner, sharper and more detailed photos in more lighting conditions. The 50 megapixel 5x telephoto camera has also been improved. It now uses an f2.9 aperture and captures 37% more light. That makes zoom photos more useful in darker situations like concerts, evening scenes, indoor events, or anywhere where lighting is not perfect. Nightography brings these improvements together for low light photos and videos, helping the phone keep images brighter and cleaner while preserving detail. Video also gets a major upgrade. The Galaxy S26 Ultra supports APV, which stands for Advanced Professional Video. This format keeps more color and detail information than standard smartphone video formats, which gives you more flexibility when editing. And there's also log video recording for color grading and super steady with horizontal log for smoother and more level handheld footage. The front camera also benefits from advanced selfie, powered by the AI image signaling processor. This helps keep selfies more natural, especially in difficult lighting where skin tones and textures can be harder to process. Next, there is performance. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, built on a 3nm process. Compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it delivers 19% faster CPU performance, 24% faster GPU performance, and 39% faster NPU performance. And that means demanding apps, games, camera processing, and Galaxy AI features run faster and more smoothly. The stronger NPU is especially important for Galaxy AI, because more AI features now rely on faster on-device processing. Samsung also uses the largest vapor chamber ever fitted into a Galaxy S Ultra device. It offers up to 21% better heat dissipation than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And that helps the phone maintain performance for longer during gaming sessions, video recording, and heavy multitasking. Galaxy AI is another major part of the Galaxy S26 Ultra's experience. Photo Assist has been upgraded with Create tab, so you can edit photos using voice and text prompts, and it also includes edit history and a style tool for transforming photos into different looks. Creative Studio is a new Galaxy AI tool that can generate wallpapers, stickers, cards, and other visuals from text prompts. Now Brief brings your schedule, reservations, reminders, and other useful information into one overview, so you can see what matters without checking multiple apps. Audio Eraser has also been expanded. It can reduce background noise in real time while watching videos in supported apps. And then there is also notification highlights, which can prioritize important alerts and summarize busy notification threads. Together, these features make Galaxy AI more useful throughout the day instead of only being something you open manually when you need it. The display and build are also important upgrades. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features the world's first built-in privacy display on mobile. When activated, it makes the screen much harder to see from the side. That helps keep messages, banking apps, passwords, and other private content harder to see in public spaces. The display is protected by Gorilla Armor 2, which adds stronger scratch resistance, a drop rating of up to 2.2 meters, and an anti-reflective coating that reduces reflections by up to 75%. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display reaches up to 2600 nits and scales from 1 to 120 Hz, so it can stay smooth when needed and more effective when showing static content. The phone also has IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Battery capacity stays the same at 5000 mAh, but the overall battery experience improves through efficiency and faster charging. The efficient 3nm processor helps the phone make better use of each charge. Charging is faster as well. The Galaxy S26 Ultra supports up to 60-watt wired charging, reaching around 75% in 30 minutes with a compatible charger. And wireless charging has also been improved to 25 watts, reaching up to 50% in around 33 minutes with a compatible wireless charger. Another major advantage is long-term software support. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with 7 years of OS and security updates. That means the phone stays current and supported for years after launch, with new software features and security patches over time. So is the Galaxy S26 Ultra worth upgrading to? For anyone coming from an older Galaxy device or a smaller non-Ultra model, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is a very complete upgrade. The camera system is stronger, performance is faster, Galaxy AI is more useful, the display is more private and more durable, charging is quicker, and the long-term software support adds extra value over time. The Galaxy S26 Ultra makes the most sense for users who want the most complete Galaxy experience. The best camera system, the strongest performance, the broadest Galaxy AI feature set, the S Pen, and Samsung's most advanced display and hardware features. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.